point of creativity is you need to be original. So you can be inspired, but try to put in your ideas in it too. What is that?
That's like a sad crying emoji.
Crying, really crying, and this,
Joint.
yeah.
Ma'am, I have a same line. Like it's like when my kid is so much work and I can't, I just right at the bottom make a face like the
You make a
mask
face.
one
Aww.
and make the hands giant like this.
Okay. Nice. So now I want you guys to see how emojis use color in general. Okay. For example, the first two emojis are, what's the first one?
Angry.
And the second one?
Hot.
Iconic. Because did you know this? A fun fact that the sharing of emojis actually became popular because Japanese teenagers started sending each other red hearts all the time. Using your fingers, there are so many heart kinds. Okay, one is this. One is this. Okay, that's cool.
One is this, ma'am.
I see this. Yes, nice. There are, imagine there's just one symbol, heart, and then there are colorful hearts too. There's a green heart, there is a blue heart, there is a white heart, black heart. There's so many different kinds of. I don't know what that heart is, by the way, Anishka. What?
Heart.
How can this be double heart? Okay, my fingers can't do the. Whoa. Okay. Okay. So icons are also that they can be also very country oriented. For example, in your WhatsApp, if you notice that there are these food icons, which half of them I don't understand because they don't belong to my country. So there are so many icons that we can come up with that is not there in the existing list of icons that we use in WhatsApp right now. Like, I was very surprised to see the auto because you don't see the auto anywhere else but India. Do you see the green and yellow auto that is there on the screen? Ah, let's see. I see a samosa. That's cute. I see a cloud. I see a ice cream, and I also see the ice cream with a what? Is that a jalebi? Wait, isn't that RJ? Ta-da! The final task. Now you have the stage to yourself. What you have to do is using the results of activity 1, 2, and 3. You have to create a range of 10 emojis. Now you will have to make the emojis as interactive as possible. Okay, what I mean by that is I want you to actually sketch them, color them, outline them, and cut them out. How many? Yes, tell me, Bhagavati.
Can I show my work?
Sure, sure.
So as an icon, I tried to make a vada pav.
Okay, that's cute. Okay. Oh, it has a little chili on top.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
And then I completed my samosa.
I love your vada pav, by the way. It's really cute. I love the chili that's happening. It's so nice. Awesome. Good job. Ah, there. Where's Unika? I'm nervous thinking about which face am I going to make.
3, 2, 1, let's go.